The world is a strange place right now. Downright surreal even. And it's difficult to deny that there are many emotions at work. Whatever we are feeling right now might be a lot to bear. And painting is one of the many to express our emotions. With this piece of artwork, I was inspired to construct a dreamland or fantasy world to raise awareness about the significance of good health and well-being for all of us. Being self-aware ensures healthy lifestyle and promotes global well-being. Health and well-being are important at every stage of one's life, starting from the beginning. Of a lady executing the Jhazz mudra, signed with her hands, is the most prominent hand mudra used in yoga and meditation. Practicing this mudra while meditating promotes serenity and tranquility, increases back flexibility, and can assist in reducing stress, all of which are beneficial to our health. It's a fantastic way to let those feelings out before they become too deep and cause other problems. This work also motivates me to remain idealistic in a variety of circumstances. Adapting this perspective, I believe, will help me in various ways, not just for myself, but also for the people around me. Being one of many citizens in our nation, acting out my rights and responsibilities with idealistic aim may contribute to and help in our country's growth, which is good for our mental, bodily, and other well-being. We stop setting incredibly high standards of behavior and honesty for ourselves, since our own decisions and actions are critical for future generations. Let us continue to promote good health and well-being in order to make the world a better place for everyone.